Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today with a healthy eating vlog. And this one is going to be real heavy on vegetables. How I'm getting more vegetables in my diet. And I am getting more vegetables in my diet. And what I attribute that to is weekly veggie runs. Every week through the week, I add vegetables to my cart, either Walmart or H-E-B, for a grocery pickup on the weekends. Then on the weekend, I run and I pick up all my veggies for the following week. So I always have them here, I always have them fresh, and they're fresh on my mind. So I thought we'd go through this week, and as usual, I am going to be watching my carbs. I get 50 to 100 a day. I shoot for between 1,000 and 1,300 calories a day, and very heavy on the veggies. So good protein, good veggies, and a little bit of fruit, and a little bit of grain. So anyways, I'm just going to jump right into this, and I hope you enjoy it. Good morning, y'all. Okay, so I'm about to have a little snack. I'm going to have an RX bar. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm about to go get on my Peloton. I'm going to do 30 minutes of cardio, and then I have started doing my weights at home, and I'm doing 2 body parts a day to failure. Today, I am doing biceps and triceps and a little bit of abs. And when I do that, I turn on some music and then I just do whatever weight moves I feel like doing. Today is 30 minutes of Peloton, bis, tris, and abs. And I eat my RX bar as I'm warming up on the bike. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I will be back for breakfast. Okay, y'all, I'm going to point you down and show you what I'm having for breakfast this morning, because I am having some breakfast this morning, but I don't always have veggies for breakfast. Sometimes I'm just throwing breakfast together, but this morning I am. So I'm going to point you down and show you what I'm having. Okay, I'm having eggs and 2 egg whites on top of gluten-free tortillas. These are the gluten-free tortillas I'm having. This is the sautee, and these are chickpea flour. And these are really good. They're not gonna fool you into thinking you're having a real tortilla, but they are good. And then in my eggs, I cooked those with mushrooms. And then I wanted to use spinach, but I didn't get spinach this time. So I put in a baby spring mix, but this has a variety of different types of lettuce, so I feel like I'm probably getting some good vitamins in there. And then I've added some little cherry tomatoes. And then I'm also having coconut milk with collagen in it, and the collagen I'm using is by Sports Research. I'm doing some collagen milk and some liquid Alive vitamins. And also, I cooked my eggs in real butter, like 1 tablespoon of real butter. And that's what I'm having for breakfast, and I'll see y'all back here for dinner or a snack. Okay, y'all, I'm making Eggroll in a bowl, and in this pan, I put sesame seed oil. And now I'm softening up some carrots, parsnips, red peppers, broccoli, and mushrooms, I think. And then I'm gonna put in my cabbage, my coleslaw. I'm also gonna cook this ground turkey to go in there. We're gonna add some avocado, and we're gonna add some yams. So I will be back and show you the finished product. And that is the finished product. The spices I put on it, I cooked all of that in liquid aminos and sesame seed oil. I put salt and pepper, and then I also added some ground ginger. And I may top that with some roasted pineapple habanero sauce. This is a Robert's Reserve, and it's delicious. So I'll probably add a little bit of that. And for the carbs, that probably has about 25 from the sweet potatoes. I don't count the carbs from anything else in there, not even the carrots. So anyway, that will be dinner, and I will check back with y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. Okay, so I'm about to go get on my Peloton. I'm going to do 30 minutes again, and then I'm again going to do 2 body parts. And today it's going to be chest and back, and I'm going to add some abs on top of it. And before I do that, I'm going to get my pre-workout snack, and today I'm having craisins and chocolate covered almonds. Hold on, I'm gonna go to the kitchen and I'm gonna show you what I'm having for my snack. Okay, so this is my snack, craisins and oven roasted almonds. And the craisins have about 15 carbs, and the Blue Diamond almonds, let's see, they have about 4. So that's about 20 carbs. And so that's not bad. That's a really good handful. But half a serving of each of craisins at reduced sugar, with reduced sugar, and Blue Diamond almonds, the oven roasted almonds with dark chocolate. It'll hold me really well, and I will check back for breakfast. So this morning for breakfast, I am having a gluten-free Char's ciabatta roll with Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh cracked pepper turkey, and I'm having that on avocado. And I'm having collagen milk. So, hold on. And I'm also having tomatoes. Let me get those. Over here, I keep all my tomatoes and I grab, a nice handful of those. So I'm also having tomatoes. I have those every morning. And I want to show you my journal, how I keep up with all this. And I'll tell you, I'm doing the carbs for your benefit. But once you get used to doing this, you will not have to do that. You will just get a feel for how many carbs and calories and everything. So over here under breakfast, I've got cranberry and nuts, 180 calories and 19 carbs. For breakfast, the ciabatta is 150 calories and 32 carbs, which is very high, but that's okay. Because just about everything else we eat, besides the bread, is going to be meat and vegetables. Very little fruit, very little grains, so we're not worried about that. The deli turkey, avocado, tomato, and collagen milk with the calories, and then there's the carbs. And you can see there's hardly any carbs in anything. And then up here, I do my workout. Today I did back, chest, and abs, Peloton for 30 minutes. So anyway, that's my journal, that's my breakfast, and I will be back for snack or dinner or next time I have something to eat. So I will talk to y'all in a little bit. Okay, I wanted to let y'all know I'm having a snack. I have cut up an apple and I'm having a cup of coconut milk while I make dinner. Just a light snack. I'm a little bit hungry and I need something to kind of fill me up for the next 2 hours. So I wanted to let you know I'm having a snack and I will be back here in a little bit for dinner. Okay, tonight for dinner we are having cauliflower, a third of a sweet potato. This is carrots and parsnips steamed and mashed together with salt. That was the recommendation of a lot of people over on Instagram and maybe on YouTube. Told me that's delicious, and it is. And then for my protein, I'm having ground turkey. And then I'm having salad, and this is just kind of a homemade ranch made out of this packet. And honestly, I'm adding the salad because we need some calories. Yesterday we went below 1,000. I don't like to do that too often in a row or my energy will suffer. So this got us up over 1,000. And then I have put everything over here in the journal. I, again, do not count calories from just regular vegetables. Now, I did look up parsnips. Those are high carb, like a sweet potato. So I did count 12 for the parsnip because I only had half. And I counted a third of a sweet potato because that's a third of a sweet potato. And then nothing else counted. So our carbs are perfect. They are 105. So anyway, I will check back with y'all tomorrow. Okay, so I'm about to go get on my Peloton. Gonna do 30 minutes as usual, and I'm gonna do legs, shoulders, and a little bit of abs today. And as usual, I'll put my workout moves down below in case you wanna do this with me. And then I'm having, I can't pick all of them up, a little handful of cocoa almonds. And then for my pre-workout snack, I'm having my collagen and coconut milk before my workout today. I just thought this might give me some good pre-workout energy instead of post. With the little cocoa almonds with a little bit of sugar, that'll be really good. And then I will be back with breakfast. So anyway, hope y'all are having a good morning. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I was just editing the footage of breakfast and I lost all the volume. So I'm gonna have to tell you what I had for breakfast and I'll put a screenshot of it up. I had a good amount of chicken salad on a piece of artisan bread. That has, I believe, 130 calories and 18 grams of carbs. And I had it with a handful of cherry tomatoes. I wish I had had spinach. I've added that to my cart. It's so good for breakfast to throw on sandwiches for some extra veggie or throw in a green shake. I'm going to start keeping spinach. But today I just had the cherry tomatoes and it was really delicious. So anyway, I will be back with snack or dinner. So hope y'all are having a good day. So tonight for dinner, I'm having a big salad. that has half of a red pepper, half of a yellow pepper. Those are on the bottom. And then on top, that is sweet potato. That's gonna be so delicious. And then I did a packet of Hidden Valley Ranch and made like a homemade ranch to go on top of it. And the sweet potato I baked ahead of time, and that's a third of a sweet potato. Then that's just chicken with salt and pepper, baked in the oven. This is mushrooms. I sauteed those in butter and water. And then this is just baked squash. I sprayed it with coconut oil and then put salt on it. And I meant to burn it. I like it like that. And then I'll dip that in the ranch from my salad, sometimes ketchup, and it is delicious. That is dinner, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow. I wanted to start today with a few little updates. I've made some notes on some things I want to tell you. And the first thing is last night when we were looking at my journal with the carbs and the calories in it, I wanted to remind you of why a lot of those vegetables don't have carb counts by them, because unless a vegetable is starchy, like sweet potatoes or parsnips, I'm not going to add those carbs. I make it as easy as possible because this is something I live on. You know, it's not a fad diet to me. This is my lifestyle. So I make it as easy as possible. Okay, and then that chicken last night was not very good. So I didn't eat it. It was dry and I just couldn't swallow it. It just was not good to me. So I didn't eat the chicken. I warmed up some bone broth and I put a little of regular chicken broth in it. A lot of nights that's what I'll do. If I don't like the protein I've had, or I feel like I need some extra protein, and I feel like it's so good for my skin. So I had a big mug of bone broth and chicken broth. And that's pretty much all the updates I wanted to tell you. And now I'm fixing to go get on my Peloton. And today I'm going back to bis and tris and abs. And I think for my pre-workout snack, I'm gonna have a little bit of almonds and craisins this morning. So anyway, I'm gonna have that and then I'll be back for breakfast, and hope y'all are having a good day. So for breakfast this morning, I am having open-faced turkey sandwiches with bread and butter pickles on top. I have got a half an avocado on both slices of bread, mashed up, and then some pepper turkey and some Famous Dave's pickle chips, the bread and butter. I will tell you, these are pretty high in carb, and I really don't count the carbs. You can if you want. This would probably be 10 carbs. I don't really count that because I just don't get that many carbs in the rest of my diet, as you are seeing. And then I've got the little cherry tomatoes. And that's gonna be breakfast along with my collagen milk. This is collagen and coconut milk as usual. And that's my breakfast. So anyway, y'all have a good day and I'll be back. Okay, I wanted to let you know I had an unscheduled snack. Can y'all hear Violet clearing her throat down there? I just had an unscheduled snack. I started craving an Atkins bar, and I had a chocolate caramel mousse. Y'all, let me just tell you the way to eat these where they're so delicious. You put them in the microwave for about 5 seconds, and it makes them a little fudgy. Delicious. So I just caved and had a processed food. I felt fine on these, but they do have sugar alcohols in them. So you might want to watch them, but I do good on these. So anyway, wanted to let you know, and I'll see you back here for dinner. Okay, y'all, this is a warm salad, and it's the first warm salad I've ever made. Okay, and I'm going to tell you what all is in that salad. That is a spring mix and some regular lettuce, like romaine. It has warm hamburger on it. Then I put as much homemade ranch as I want. And then on top, I have the cooked vegetables. And I just put those on the stovetop and cooked them in olive oil. And that is tomatoes, an orange pepper, mushrooms, and cauliflower. And then with that, I'm gonna have yellow squash, and I baked that in the oven again, and I'm gonna have it with ketchup. That puts us at 1,050 calories for the day and 46 carbs. So since that's so low, I may add some sautee chips in there, which would bring our calories to 1,264 carbs. Still great. And we could have some sautee grain-free chips. So anyway, I will check back with y'all tomorrow. Okay, so I was just editing this video, and I think I'm going to stop there. We've got 4 days, and so I think you have a real good picture of the way I eat, and I don't want this to get too long, so I think I'm going to cut it off there. Y'all definitely down below let us know some things that work for you. Some recipes, whatever you want to share. So anyway, that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.